Hi everyone, welcome to season 3, episode 2 of Chat with Anju with senior citizens. Sorry, recycle teenagers. This season was actually started because of my uncle who's with us today, who inspired me because he has a YouTube channel where he records his songs and plays the keyboard regularly. Every month, he's got a song that he puts out. And that was so inspiring. At his age, he's 88. He's still doing that. That really gave me the urge of getting him onto this platform and sharing what he's doing to fulfill his life. So let me introduce you to my uncle, who's Mr. Nandlal Bajaj. He is been in 20 years in the manufacturing of electronic appliances. He's too much in the music world, and 62 he retired, but since then he's been enjoying music and actually playing music and singing now. So welcome, uncle. How are you?
Good evening to you. Good evening to everybody. Happy
Nice
to be
to
with
see
you
you.
all. Yeah.
So uncle, I have a few questions for you. Uncle, what are you most proud of?
I'm a very humble person and I'm not proud. So, and in fact, I've lived my life well, and if given a chance, I'll relive it again. The same
Lovely.
way that I've done now.
You still have a long way, uncle.
Yeah, I think so.
Absolutely.
I'm quite confident of that.
Yeah. And the way you're going with all your music, that is so inspiring and so fulfilling.
That is an important part of my life today because I lost my wife 4 years back, and I would have been a lonely man. It gives me company, it gives me some creative in life
Yes.
to learn a new
Excellent.
song. Yeah.
Uncle, what are the most important lessons you've learned in your life along the way?
In my life, I learned that one has to be honest and he needs to do his duties without fail. In fact, if you need to take up a little extra of the duties, it's always appreciated by everyone. I would like everybody to help people. Yeah, helping people is good for themselves and it is good for people who are being helped.
Right.
These are three items I would stress
Right.
upon.
Yeah.
There are quite a number of them. Everybody can have a new one and
Yeah.
follow them.
So honesty, working hard, and helping other people.
Yes, helping that is a very important factor.
Excellent, uncle. Uncle, what inspired you to start recording your songs and sharing on YouTube?
In that part of it, you see, since I was playing music regularly, as long as I could do it, because my health at my age, the health is also not too good. But as long as I could get some time to do it, I did music. And although I had recorded some few songs on mobile at home, I was not sure whether I should post it on YouTube.
Okay.
Unless a good friend of mine and a very good singer, Priyanka Basu by name, I'll name her because I gave her the credit for what she did for me. Okay. And she put that idea in my mind that why do you worry about people liking it or not? I mean, you leave it as memoirs for your family, friends, and members. So that hit me, and I said, yes, that's the most right thing to do because money will go, property will go, but this will remain there forever.
This will remain forever. I mean, you will leave these memories.
Yes, interested me.
Even for your great-grandchildren.
And I've been posting since last September, and up to date I have posted about 25 music videos.
25 songs on YouTube. Wow.
I could have done more, but I suffer from pollution problem. So that gives me a problem to sing a complete song.
But I've heard all your songs and they're really beautiful, Uncle. So,
Yeah, in fact, this afternoon, a friend of mine who also posts on YouTube.
Yeah.
YouTube has started showing some advertisement on him also.
Okay.
I was not sure why they do it. But he was asking me, do you control that part of it? I said, no, it is a YouTube. It is their wish whether they want to advertise or not. I cannot. So he was asking me, do they pay you? I said, I'm not interested in the payment. So as long as people are seeing it, so of course YouTube is also going to take advantage of it.
Uncle, you are inspiring so many people because even having this hobby at this age and playing the keyboard, you can't do both at one time. I don't see singers doing both. So you are really talented.
I think so. What you say is very right. Most people either sing or they play the instrument. But my guru who taught me, he told me that if you play the keyboard, nobody will look at you. So he forced me to sing. So he says, if you sing, then you will be in the front. So you can play the keyboard and sing simultaneously. So that's what he inspired me and he taught me that way.
And I'm inspired by you because I love singing, but I cannot manage the keyboard. No way.
I can teach you.
Wow, I will do that next time. I take that up.
I can be a teacher. In fact, I have suggested this to many of my friends and relatives also that don't worry about charges. I won't charge you. I'll teach you free. But please come. They don't want to come.
Oh. They will come. We will come. I will come.
Very good. At one time, I decided that in case at this stage and at this junction, if I needed money, I'll put a board outside my house, teacher. Music.
Absolutely.
Which of course I have not was not necessary.
Yeah.
That's why it goes.
What life advice would you like to pass along?
Okay. My advice is again the same that younger people, maybe not very young, even middle-aged, and even people like at a later age in life, if the health permits, they should take up a hobby so that they can pass their time. In case one or the partner goes away, the person living can look after himself without having to depend on other people to entertain him or talk to him.
Right.
And could pass his time. It could be reading, it could be playing cards for that matter. It's not necessarily with high money or high stakes. Just playing for the fun of it.
Yeah.
It could be a game. But singing would be the best thing because you sit at home and you can pass your time alone without any companion.
Yeah. And be happy. Yeah.
And then you are creative. You're creating something.
Yes. What a great advice, Uncle, because this is something, And
I don't know if people are aware that when you sing, your whole body is working. Entire body. Your feet are working for the timing. Okay. And then your hands are working to play an instrument. And you're free to sing. So your lungs are working. Your blood is circulation. Okay. And of course, without speaking or without thinking, it cannot be done. So right up to the brain, so your entire body is working.
So basically, you find your hobby and keep doing it so that you have something to look forward to, even if you're alone without your other half.
Yes. And I've lived it very happily.
Yeah.
I could pass my time. Of course, I'm not saying I lived happily without her.
Yeah.
But I've lived happily alone.
With yourself. Oh, that's so beautiful, Uncle. Uncle, that's such a great advice because even it's important for all of us. Not only...
it's applicable to all.
Yeah.
Everyone. Every individual.
Yes.
So instead of wasting the time on TV, other entertainment, it does not give you any value.
Absolutely.
No value addition to them.
Yeah.
And even if you do traveling, there's a limit to that.
Yes.
Suddenly you cannot do traveling.
Yeah.
So if you are at home, you can do it, and you can teach.
Yes, you got this new thing now. You can teach. I think you can literally put out a board and you'll get clients. You know.
Yeah, that way.
Yeah.
What best would? What would you like to ask me something other than this?
Yeah. Uncle, how would you like to be remembered?
As I told you, I'm not a very proud person. I don't want to leave any property with my name on it. I can't carry it with me. There's no safe vault over there. Okay, and there's nothing I can carry up to the graveyard. Neither there's any storage place in the graveyard also. So it is better that I have left my songs on YouTube. They will be remembered. And that whatever I left is my goodwill to everybody. My goodness. My kindness.
Yeah.
That's what I left for. All I can.
Yeah. I mean, even to the people who listen to your songs, you know, it's pleasing to the ears and so inspiring. So I think what you will be remembered for is all that you did for us.
Yeah. Well, it's very, music is so soothing. Even if you don't hear mine, whatever music is available on YouTube.
Yeah.
Beautiful artists can really pass your time. Sing to it very quietly.
Yeah.
Without any tension.
Right. Yeah. And you have so much following, Uncle. You have Facebook friends. You share such great stuff on WhatsApp. You share such, such good value-based articles, Uncle, that I really enjoy reading them.
I've been on WhatsApp for the last maybe 10 years. And the people who have joined me 10 years back are still with me. So every year I ask them, if you're tired of what I'm doing, you can please tell me. They said nothing doing, continue.
We love it. I love it, Uncle. I love the morning messages, the good night messages.
There's all positivity in what I said.
Yes.
And I try to be positive and I try to entertain a little bit along with that. So it's nothing very serious, or it's informative.
Yes.
Something that people were not aware of.
Absolutely.
Those are the posts I post.
Yeah. You have a variety of posts which are all from different aspects of life. Yeah.
And I post on Facebook also.
Yes.
I got quite a few friends on Facebook also who are following me regularly.
Yeah. It's so nice to see you on Facebook and doing things on, WhatsApp. I mean, this is the new trend, of the new generation. But like you said, you are a recycled teenager. So you're in action, like all of us.
I have a friend of mine who is into the production of stage shows for TV.
Okay.
What they call it. They got a special name for it. The serials.
Yeah.
They produce serials, and he produces now he has got his own, just like Netflix, he has got his own distribution line.
Excellent.
And he was telling me, he was very proud of me. He says, the younger generations have not taken up to the electronic media as much as you have taken up.
Absolutely.
The younger people are not interested in YouTube, they're not interested in Facebook, they're not interested in WhatsApp. What they're doing, I do not know.
Uncle, you have inspired me for the season because I needed you to be seen around and to show people what you're doing and how fulfilling that is at your age, at 88. Yeah. So it's fantastic. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you very much. Thank you for calling me onto the stage at this time of my life. It is a pleasure that I get an opportunity to be on the stage sometime.
And Uncle, this was also going to stay as memoir, right?
Yeah, of course. It will be on on my phone. It'll be with my family always.
Yes, and with me. I mean, I'm your niece, so thank you very much, Uncle. This was superb, very inspiring. I was looking forward to speaking to you. Everybody, I'm going to be sharing his YouTube channel. You can follow him. He's got 28 songs, maybe more on his channel, and he plays the keyboard. So let's start finding a hobby, because that's what he suggests. Thank you very much, and lots and lots of love, Uncle. Thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you.